Hello viewers, you're welcome back. Today I would like to show you a small town in Alberta, Canada that is willing to welcome workers from outside Canada. A lot of people usually don't believe this, but I love to come with my proof, which I'll be showing you right now from their website. Is the program open to candidates who are already in Canada? Now, this is their response to that question. The Rural Renewal Program is opened to prospective employees who are outside Canada. Did you get that? As well as those who are already in Canada. I just need to clarify this because of some people that keep saying these things are not true. You can get it. People are getting it. So all you need to do to move into this small town in Canada with your family is what I'll be sharing with you in this video. So you want to stick around with me till the end of the video. You don't want to miss any part of it. So still on this website, let me show you another proof that if you are outside Canada, you are eligible to apply. The eligible candidates includes individuals seeking employment and permanent residency in Canada through the Rural Renewal Stream, also known as an employee, job seeker, newcomer, or immigrant. Now, if you are a non-Canadian resident who is interested in obtaining permanent residency by living and working in this town, so you can see another confirmation. So if you are outside Canada, because I believe most of my subscribers are outside Canada, this is for you. So please, before we begin, just give me a like. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for more opportunities to migrate to Canada. So let's get started. So what is this program all about? It's a rural renewal stream in the province of Alberta, whereby it has designated small communities within the province that are finding it difficult to fill vacancies in their community, because this community are so small. The majority of people that relocate to Canada do not want to stay there because it's not the bubbling cities. And so that's why the province of Alberta has decided to open up this stream to them so that they also can have the opportunity to bring in foreign workers from outside Canada to fill in these job vacancies in their communities. So if you don't mind settling with your family in this community, let's look at the application process together. So firstly, the application is going to take 30 days review process. The first two steps are for the employer, those that are willing to bring you to Canada. And the good thing about this program is that your employer do not need LMIA. The reason why most employers do not want to recruit from outside Canada is because to get LMIA in Canada is costly. It can go for as much as $1,000 for a candidate. So a lot of them are trying to reduce their costs, and that's why it's only when they do not find suitable candidates in Canada that they would be willing to bring you in. But for this particular stream, all employers involved do not need LMIA to bring you in. So that makes it so easy for them to bring in as many as possible without bearing the costs. So that's why you need to look into this and jump on it. And there are so many job opportunities waiting for you. You don't need to go to Job Bank Indeed to find job. The job postings are on this website. So you can connect directly to the employers that are willing to bring you in. So in a jiffy, I'll be showing you the list of those openings and how you can get in touch with those employers. So the first two processes are for the employer. The employers will have to submit an application to the town, let them know how many vacancies they want to fill. So after that, the committee is going to review the employer's application. So after the employers have been reviewed and confirmed, they will post the job vacancies. Number 4 is where your own process begins as a candidate. So candidate apply for position. So you're going to apply to any of those positions that I'll be showing you that matches your qualification and experience. Then employer will now issue you job offer, which is the second step for you as a candidate. So when you get your job offer, it must be a full-time permanent job offer. Next thing is that your employer applies to the community for letter of endorsement on your behalf. The community now issues endorsement letter to you, the candidate. So when you receive the endorsement letter, then you have to apply by yourself for the provincial nomination through the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program. So these are the basic steps you need to follow to apply. So now let's see the requirements for applications. If you are a refugee claimant already in Canada, you are not eligible to apply for this program. So for your job offer to be eligible, you must ensure that it's not a part-time, casual or seasonal employment, and also it must not be a job offer from an independent contractor, independent business owner or temporary agency workers. Then you must not work for an employer in a place of employment that is not zoned for commercial or industrial operations, such as a home-based business. So if it's a remote job offer you got, it is not eligible under this program. So moving on, these are the ineligible occupations. If your occupation falls within this list, you cannot apply. You are not eligible to apply under these streams. I'm going to leave the link in the video description, so you check it out. If your occupation is not under this list, then you are eligible to apply. So you want to go through this list first before you apply. So let's check it out together. We have legislators, escort agency managers, judges, authors and writers, musicians and singers, justices of the peace, actors, painters, artisans, athletes. So just check out the list. It's not so long. If your occupation is not on this list, then you are eligible to apply. What are the requirements? So the first thing you need to do, like I showed you, get your job offer. So for you to apply for the provincial nomination program, you are going to need your IELTS, but it's going to be a very low IELTS score, which any regular English speaker can just attain without stress. So from NOCODE 0123, you need just CLB5. CLB5 is about band 4.5 in IELTS. You can see that it's extremely low. Even if you don't prepare for the English test, you should be able to attain 4.5. And if your NOCODE is 4 or 5, within that occupations, you need just CLB4, which is band 3.5 in IELTS. You can get this easily. Another thing you need is your ECA, that's your credential assessment. So you can get that done with WES or any other authorized institute. And the minimum educational requirement for this program is high school diploma. Having said that, I forgot to mention the name of the community is Peace River Community. Is a very small town with very low population. The standard of living is beautiful. Now I'm going to show you the job postings on this website. These are the available job vacancies they are looking to fill. So you don't have to go about looking for jobs anywhere. They have it already on their website, which makes it easier for you to just submit your applications to the employers. So the following are approved employers and employment opportunity under the town of Peace River Rural Renewal Stream. Candidates must apply directly to the employer. So you can see these jobs are already approved. The employers are approved. They don't need LMIA. So you can't go wrong with this job. Once you get an offer, consider yourself almost in Canada. So we have cook. You can see we have 6 positions and 2 positions available for food supervisor. So if you are in this field, please go ahead and apply. And this is another employer. They need food counter attendants, 2 positions, line cook, 4 positions, server, 3 positions, food service supervisor, 1 position, and a host, 1 position. So this is another one, food service supervisor, 4 position. Then this another one, food service supervisor, 10 positions, food counter attendant, 6 positions. This another one, retail sales associate, 2 positions available, office administrator, 1 position, user support technician, 2 positions, bookkeeper, 1 position, baker. This baker is filled, so you don't need to apply. You can see that this is even better. Once a position has been filled, they are going to indicate, so you would know which one is left for you to apply. So retail store supervisor is still opened. Housekeeper, 2 positions. For housekeeper, I don't think you need so much. You don't need much qualification or experience to do this job. Food desk supervisor, 1 position. Food desk agent, 1 position. Shift leader, food supervisor, shift cook, food and beverage server. This is another one. Chalet manager, research associate, forest ecology. This is filled. Then we have food counter attendants, 10. Food service supervisor, 4. So I'm going to attach the link to this page on the video description, so you can just go through and search for whichever position that matches your qualification or experience. Then you send in your application. How do we apply? I clicked the first link, which is cook, and I discovered that the first vacancy is no longer available. I think it has been filled, but they've not, indicated it on this website. So if you click the first one, it might tell you the vacancy, it might tell you the job is no longer available. But you can check others. Like now, I'm going to check food counter attendants. Let's go through it together. So this is the website. It has taken us to the website. And what you need to do, you can see current employment opportunities. So you can see this employer is still very much opened to receive applications. So you can see location hiring now. These are the locations hiring. If you want to check, these are the positions they are hiring for. So you can see the positions they are hiring for. If you are a supervisor, server, bartender, cook, host, you just apply here. Just put your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and this is the location. These are the positions that are available. Click on full-time, then click on the number of days you want to work and all of that. Just attach your resume here and click on submit. So that means you have applied. You just need to send your CV to this employer, and if you're successful, they will reach out to you and you can take it up from there. So I want you to take this seriously and start sending your resume. One other thing is you must make sure your resume is in standard Canadian format. If you need help concerning that, I did a video that can assist you to get this done fast and free of charge. You'll be able to download it from the job bank. So go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. So get your resume ready. Keep sending it to as many jobs as you qualify for, and keep checking back on the community page to see new employers coming to advertise jobs until you find the one that matches your qualification and experience. I wish you the best of luck in your applications. Stay connected. More opportunities are coming. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please like the video just to cheer me up. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video.